So we are doing the seeds, description of the seeds. Now we'll study about the kinds of seed. Seeds can be of two types based on the number of cotyledons they have. Monocot seeds, they have only one cotyledon. The seeds of grass, rice, maize and banana plant are examples. Dicot seeds, they have two cotyledons. The seeds of pea, bean, mango and rose plants are examples. Two types of seeds we have, monocot and dicot. Monocots have two cotyledons. Monocots have one cotyledon. Examples are grass, rice, maize and so on. Dicots have two cotyledons. Example the pea, bean, mango, rose and so on. Now we'll go on to the germination of seeds. The growth of a seed into a plant is called germination. When a seed has the right amount of air, water, warmth and nutrients, it germinates into a new plant. During germination, the baby plant uses the food from the cotyledons to grow. First, it grows into a tiny root and then a shoot. The small plant formed is the seedling. The seedling grows into a new plant. So, germination of a seed is the most important part of the seed. When the seed is sown in the soil, it needs to have the proper conditions. Proper conditions means right amount of air, water, sunlight and also the ground to germinate. If it gets all these conditions properly, then only the seed, the baby plant will come out from the seed and the new plant will grow. So here we see, first of all, the root of the plant come out. When it gets the proper air, water, warmth and nutrients, the root of the plant first come out and then the shoot. The seed is there, then the root come out and the shoot, and gradually the root grows deeper and deeper and the shoot starts blooming into the plant by giving the leaves and other branches and so on. So the small plant formed is the seedling and the seedling grows into a new plant. How we take care of the plants? Plants give out oxygen which most living things need to live. They supply food and shelter to many animals. They also get useful things such as the grains, fruits, vegetables, oil, spices and wood from the plants. So we get a plenty of things from the plants. First and foremost thing which we get is the oxygen, which all living things require. We get the food, different food, the vegetarians, the vegetable oils, fruits, spices and everything. We also get the wood and shelter. Because of the plants, we get the rain also. We can do many things to take care of the plants. Make sure the plants in your home get the right amount of water and light to grow properly. Regularly loosen the soil around the base of the plant. This lets in the air and water. Regularly add manure or fertilizer to the soil. This supplies the plants with nutrients. You may need to spread pesticide on the plants to kill the harmful insects and so on. Do not pluck leaves and flowers. Remember, plants are living too.